return new. So what we do is divide it into two parts. Write half the value here, write half the value there. This is outbound, this is inbound. Both will be calculated simultaneously. Now you have written specifically y half RT1083.73. This means y class half of return value. In the previous questions we were writing YOW. That meant y class 100. This is y class half of the return new 1083.73, which is half of this. So half is written here, half is written on this side. This is the rule number, no problem with this. This is your NPM. Now the TPMs that have to be calculated, check from this route that is given. The first two values, since you've broken the journey at Singapore, the first two values are the TPM for the outbound portion, because this is Dubai to Bangkok value, Bangkok to Singapore value. That's it. And the last two values are for the inbound portion. So everything which is above the line actually is outbound and this is for inbound. So you add these two, you get 3932. You add these two, you get 3944. Right? EMA obviously is not applicable since this routing is within mileage in both the cases. Separately if you see them. EMS column you write M, which means within mileage. Right? There is no HIP as you can see from the HIP tables. In this case also Dubai, Bangkok, Singapore, this is the highest value, origin destination, and in this case also. So in the HIP column you write nil, there is no rule number obviously. F again is the value that you are going to repeat, 1083.73. This one is written here, this value is written here. And ultimately at this point you are supposed to add these two values and now calculate as a single return journey. So you add these two values, obviously you would get this value. Because initially we had started with this only. उनको ऐड करके वापस वही आएगा because actually तो आपने इसी को ही divide करके half करके, right? There is no check. Total new is again this value.